poverty, sustainable food production, freshwater scarcity, climate change. These are major challenges facing our species today. Our forests can play a key role in solving these problems, yet when we need them most, the forests of the world are falling. Deforestation has accelerated. 50% of our rainforests were lost in the last 60 years alone. Deforestation drives climate change, degrading land, choking rivers, and polluting the atmosphere. Forests stabilize the climate and cool the air. They prevent erosion and regulate the water cycle. They generate moisture, chemicals, and microorganisms that actually create clouds. In Southeast Asia, reforestation was used to create a 5,000-acre orangutan reserve. 50% of the people were jobless. The land was a biological desert. Combining agriculture and forestry, a replicable system was created. It was designed to yield early food and income for the local people, reduce growing expenditures, and speed up ecosystem regeneration. 3 years later, the results were in. Cloud cover up 11.5%, rainfall up 25%, 3,000 people now making a sustainable income. Reforestation makes a difference. 1 acre of permaculture-designed food forest can sustainably support 10 people. Wheat, less than 5. And oil, water, and pesticides are used in wheat's production. There are 39 million square kilometers of degraded farmland in the world today. Reforesting just over half using permaculture techniques would create an additional 2% cloud cover over our precious planet Earth. Currently, global warming is adding 1.6 watts of heat per square meter of land. If that square meter is covered by a cloud, up to 80 watts of the sun's energy is reflected back into space. A 2% increase in cloud cover could halt global warming in its tracks, long enough to develop technologies needed for a sustainable future for us all. Join us and be part of making it happen. weforest.com, or hashtag us on Twitter with #WeForest.